Hey, Twitter world, it's a sad day. Just heard the news about Kobe Bryant. Life doesn't promise us tomorrow, doesn't promise us anything. I guess you got to live for the day. Great guy, terrific family. God bless. Take care.
Tyson Chandler played with Kobe. Bryant played with him a couple of different stints with the Lakers. It's been like that.
Well, I don't know.
This is absolutely one of the worst days of our life. And right about now, you're probably questioning God. That's the first thing we do when things go bad. We question God. Why God allowed this to happen? What kind of God is He? What God takes a man away from his wife and kids? Don't do that.
L'équipe a ensuite observé une minute de silence. La mort de Kobe a profondément attristé le monde du foot, dont Sergio Ramos.